Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fatihah Anisa binti Azman, and this is the video presentation of Math 251 Modern Business Environment Assignment, and I have been assigned the topic of implementation of just-in-time purchasing and implementation of just-in-time production. Just-in-time or JIT system is a system where materials or products are purchased or produced only when there is demand. What it means by this, it means that when there is demand by the consumer, only then the producer will purchase raw materials from the supplier. Okay, so why just-in-time system? Just-in-time system is to avoid inventory from exceeding the demand, thus eliminating the cost of storing the materials. So I'm going to explain more about just-in-time in the next slide. So now I'm going to talk about just-in-time purchasing. What is just-in-time purchasing? So according to SEMA, just-in-time purchasing is matching the receipt of the material closely with the usage so that raw material inventory is reduced to near zero levels. So just-in-time purchasing will more likely to result in more smaller orders and frequent deliveries. And the risk factors for just-in-time purchasing is the carrying cost and the ordering cost. So I'm going to give a little bit of example about just-in-time purchasing. So let's say there is a demand of 20 pieces of cotton t-shirt. So in order to satisfy the demand, let's say one piece of cotton tee will need 2 meters of direct material. So in order to satisfy the 20 pieces of cotton tee, the purchaser will only purchase 40 meters of direct material from the supplier. So when the producer only purchase 40 meters of direct material from supplier, there will be no excess in direct material because the 40 meters of direct material will only be used to satisfy the 20 pieces of cotton tee. So just-in-time purchasing will result in more smaller orders and frequent deliveries. Well, this is relevant because the producer will only purchase the material when it is needed. So every time there is order, only then the producer will place an order to the supplier, and because of this there will be frequent deliveries, and each of the deliveries will bear a carrying cost and ordering cost. So this is why the risk factors for just-in-time purchasing is the carrying cost and ordering cost. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about just-in-time production. So what is just-in-time production? According to SEMA, just-in-time production is a production system which is driven by demand or finished products, whereby each component on a production line is produced only when needed for the next stage. It means that this implies on the product that there is a lot of stages in producing it. So the producer will only produce the component only when it is needed for the next producing stage. Just-in-time production will cause a reduction in work in progress, reduction of finished goods stock, employee empowerment, and it will reduce the lead times, and it will improve the quality and productivity of the product will increase. So as a conclusion, just-in-time is a system that is used for controlling inventory. Well, this is because, like I have said earlier, just-in-time is a system where the producer will only purchase the raw materials or produce the product only when there is demand. And if a company wishes to minimize their cost in handling inventory, they definitely should use this system, because just-in-time will definitely reduce their cost in handling the inventory and reduce their cost in storing the inventory. Well, if there is no excess in inventory or there is no excess in raw materials, then the company won't have to store the excess materials. so it will definitely reduce their cost in storing the product or the materials. So I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.